Welcome to the era of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. With AGI in the spotlight, our current fascination with AI will seem like child's play. This isn't the plot of a futuristic movie, it's an impending reality that might redefine our world. In this discourse, we will journey beyond the buzzwords, diving deep into the heart of AGI, exploring its potential to elevate our human experience, surpassing the limits of traditional AI. What's the big deal about AGI? Artificial general intelligence is not just another upgrade in the software of our lives. It's a seismic shift in potential. Where traditional AI is akin to a well-trained pigeon, excelling in specific tasks it's trained for, AGI is more like a versatile genius, capable of learning any intellectual task that a human can. It isn't restricted by narrow parameters, but is endowed with the ability to think, understand, and innovate across a broad spectrum. AGI systems can conceptualize and apply their knowledge to solve any problem, irrespective of the domain. This flexibility marks a monumental leap from conventional AI's limited expertise, a leap that could bridge the gap between mechanized assistance and true digital partnership. AGI doesn't just mimic human behavior, it understands and adapts, reshaping its strategies to navigate new and unforeseen challenges. Unlike AI, which requires reprogramming to adapt to changes, AGI learns dynamically, much like a human does when faced with something novel. Learning. Not just fast, but furious. The learning efficiency of AGI is akin to downloading decades of learning into a few seconds. Imagine AGI systems binge-watching every medical drama ever made and then performing a complex surgery all within an hour. This isn't just fast learning, it's learning on steroids. Moreover, AGI can draw from its diverse experiences to enhance its learning. If it encounters an error, it adjusts its algorithms on the fly, optimizing itself persistently. Traditional AI, on the other hand, often stumbles over such hurdles and needs external adjustments by human programmers. AGI's ability to self-improve is a game changer. It's not just learning in the traditional sense, it's continuously evolving. Its capability to learn from every interaction ensures it grows smarter with each task, potentially outsmarting humans in numerous domains. The jack of all trades. AGI redefines versatility. Picture this. An AGI-driven robot in your home can cook, help kids with homework, manage your finances, and even plan your next vacation, all by itself. This isn't just a multitasker, it's a master of tasks. This exceptional ability to generalize and adapt allows AGI to transition seamlessly between tasks. While traditional AI would require a specific algorithm for each task, AGI uses its foundational intelligence to learn and adapt to new tasks with minimal supervision. The adaptability of AGI offers significant implications for every field, from healthcare, where it can devise new treatment plans, to education, where it can customize learning approaches based on the individual needs of students. Independence Day, the autonomy of AGI. One of the most striking features of AGI is its autonomy. Unlike AI, which depends on predefined instructions, AGI can make decisions independently, often in unpredictable environments. Whether it's navigating a rescue operation in a disaster-hit area or managing a city's power grid, AGI can analyze vast amounts of information, weigh the best possible outcomes, and act without human intervention. This level of self-sufficiency not only enhances efficiency, but also frees up human efforts for more creative and nuanced tasks. AGI's autonomy could redefine job roles and responsibilities, shifting the paradigm from human doing to human supervising. Beyond science fiction real-world applications. AGI is not confined to the realms of academia or theoretical debates. It has a robust potential to transform various sectors dramatically. From healthcare, where it could predict and prevent diseases before they manifest, to environmental science, where it could optimize energy consumption and reduce waste, AGI promises a revolution. Consider the financial sector, where AGI could perform real-time analysis of global financial markets, predict trends, and make investment decisions faster than any human or existing AI system. It could also transform the creative industries, composing music, writing scripts, or generating art, tapping into a well of creativity that merges human intuition with computational power. Each of these applications not only showcases AGI's versatility, but also its potential to foster a symbiotic relationship where humans and machines co-create a future that is presently unimaginable. With great power comes great responsibility. The advent of AGI ushers in not just technological advancements, but profound ethical challenges. The autonomy of AGI raises significant concerns about privacy, security, and control. Who is responsible if an AGI system makes a flawed decision? How do we ensure these systems do not perpetuate or exacerbate existing biases? Debates around AGI often revolve around its potential to achieve superintelligence, a form of intelligence that surpasses the brightest human minds in practically all relevant aspects. This scenario necessitates robust ethical frameworks and governance structures to ensure that AGI technologies are developed and deployed in socially beneficial ways. The dialogue surrounding AGI must evolve just as rapidly as the technology itself, ensuring that humanity steers this new form of intelligence rather than being driven by it. Preparing for the AGI revolution. As AGI becomes an impending reality, it's crucial for society to prepare adequately. Education systems need to pivot, emphasizing skills that AGI cannot replicate easily, such as emotional intelligence, creativity, and interpersonal dynamics. Moreover, regulatory frameworks must be established to manage and monitor AGI development. This includes creating standards for transparency, safety, and ethical considerations. Public-private partnerships will be vital in fostering an environment where innovation can flourish while ensuring it aligns with human values and societal needs. Preparing for AGI is not just about technological readiness. It's about shaping a future where AGI enhances human capabilities and opportunities rather than replacing them. Conclusion: the future is now. The journey towards AGI is not just a quest for technological superiority, but a venture into the unknown realms of what intelligence truly encompasses. AGI represents not just a new chapter in the book of technology, but a new volume in the saga of humanity. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it is imperative that we navigate this transition thoughtfully and proactively. The potential of AGI to redefine our lives and work is immense, but so is the responsibility to guide its evolution wisely. Embracing AGI requires not just awe and anticipation, but a balanced approach that integrates innovation with integrity. The future is indeed now, and it beckons us with possibilities as vast as our imagination.